She's the baddest like mom.
So how long have you been working for the shop studio, Ollie?
Coming up to 2 years now.
2 years.
Yeah.
And what do you enjoy most about what you do?
I tend to do most of the blind jobs, so like recently we've had quite a few big projects which have been quite nice, and like some big apex windows which are a bit more challenging than the sort of flat normal windows.
So you're fitting more motorised blinds.
Yeah.
What would you say is the best job that you've done so far with regards to installation of motorised blinds?
Probably the job in Kingston, like I say, the pleated motorised blinds that we've done on the apex window.
Marketing team got to go overnight in Kingston in a hotel to film motorised blind installation on a, what is it? Was it 8 foot by 10 foot window?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's huge.